What is a white giant? White giants are really huge, hot stars that appear to be white. They can be 20 times bigger than a sun. Rigel is a white giant shining about 60,000 times more brightly than our sun. Which stars are called dwarfs? Small stars are called dwarfs. Astronomers know that stars come in lots of different sizes. To make it easier to describe the sizes, they call big stars giants and little ones dwarfs. Is it true most stars are yellow? No. Stars hotter than our sun often shine a bright pale blue, while other stars can sometimes appear red or white. Only a few are yellow. Which stars go out with a bang? Really massive stars, at least 8 times bigger than our sun, die in an explosion called supernovas. For a few days, supernovas shine so strongly that here on Earth we can see them during the day. Can we see supernovas? Only a few supernovas have been seen in our galaxy in the last 1,000 years. One visible to the naked eye was seen in 1987 in a nearby galaxy called the Large Magellanic Cloud. What is a white dwarf? A white dwarf is a dying star. Its gas is burnt off and a planet-sized, white-hot and incredibly dense core is all that is left. Over billions of years, this fades and dies. Sirius B, or the pup, is a white dwarf. What is a red giant? A red giant is an old star that is swollen up. Depending how big it gets, it might blow up or fade out. Astronomers think that our sun will grow into a red giant in about 5 billion years' time. Betelgeuse is a red giant and is 500 times bigger than our sun. Is it true dead stars are also called black dwarf? Yes, once a white dwarf has cooled and stopped shining, it becomes a dead black dwarf. What is the little green man? LGM stands for Little Green Man. LGM-1 is a light deep space that flashes 30 times a second. It is a pulsar, a tiny, dense neutron star, the remains of a supernova that flashes out light and radio signals as it spins. Do you know neutron stars are heavy? Neutron stars are super heavy. They can just be 20 kilometers across but weigh 50 times more than the planet Earth. Do all pulsars spin at the same speed? No. Even the slowest spin about once every 4 seconds, but the fastest whiz round many hundreds of times in a single second. Their incredible speeds are thought to be caused by magnetic forces left by a supernova. What is a black hole? A black hole is a place in space that forms when a really huge star collapses. Everything around black hole is sucked into it, like water down a plug hole. The force of gravity in a black hole is so strong that nothing can escape from it, not even light. Have anyone ever seen a black hole? No one has ever seen a black hole because beams of light cannot escape black holes. Astronomers cannot see them, even with the most powerful telescopes. What is dark matter? Dark matter is what scientists call all the stuff in the universe that they know is there but can't find. They think it might be made of ghostly little particles called neutrinos. Is it true black holes turn you into spaghetti? Yes. Scientists think that in the last moments before you disappeared forever in a black hole, the force of gravity would stretch you until it's pulled you apart. They call this being spaghettified.